Hello guys, my name is Madan Mohan. Uh, Today I'm going to discuss about TypeScript. What is the IDE? What is the best IDE for writing the code, TypeScript? So which IDE is better no no of the Node.js and npm nothing. So just here my requirement is just I wanted to run the TypeScript without know the Node.js and npm. So is it possible in the real-time scenarios? I think I can give the answer yes it is. Without Node.js and npm you can run the TypeScript. There is a one IDE which is called Visual Studio 2017. If I am going to mouse over to here, so you can see here. This is the Visual Studio 2017. Uh, so this is the best idea. You can develop the not only TypeScript. If you want to develop the any mobile applications or Azure DevOps, cloud computing related, even F Sharp, Angular JS, React JS, anything you can develop those applications by using the Visual Studio 2017. Okay, so by using this IDE, I'm going to write down a small example of the TypeScript. So I'm going to first you need to download this Visual Studio 2017 from the official Microsoft. Okay, so how we are going to how we are going to be executed that TypeScript. So if you mouse over here, you see the TypeScript of 2017 that is you are getting that. So how we are going to do. So here, so already I'm going to create the one project. So here I told you now this the aim of this video is I'm writing the TypeScript code without npm and node.js by using the 2017 of Visual Studio. This is not visual code. This is a Visual Studio 2017. Even you can develop by using the Visual Studio 2015 also. So how we are going to develop that? So before I just open this IDE, this is the IDE I have to open. So this is the IDE. So here if you go to the file, here the file. So this is the file. So I'm going to create the one application in new project. So this is the I have to create the one project. I create the one project. If you afford at least half minute how to create the project, if you focus on the half minute for how to create the project, then that is very easy to you can execute that TypeScript. Otherwise, if you want to create the project into the Visual Studio by using the Visual Studio, you need to install the npm, you need to install the node.js. Not only that, you have to learn all the commands of that node.js and npm. So here really I am saying that I don't know anything. Okay, so it will take some time. It will take no, just a few seconds because of the internal background. I am executing the many applications. Even this is the Visual Studio 2017. You can now need to know the TypeScript also. Once you know the TypeScript successfully, by using the same IDE, you can you can develop the Angular 7 applications also. I think I'm not executed. Sorry. So here. browsing and that just there is a E. Okay, I'm selecting the folder. That's it. Here I'm going to execute on TypeScript. Just I didn't do anything. Just I'm creating file. I'm going to add a new project. I'm making it the vscode web application, which is the .NET framework, not the core application. This is .NET framework. Step 1. This is the step 1. So click the OK. So and then create the just by default is empty. Let it be that. No need to change anything. Step 2. This is the step 2. So that's it. If you know that these two steps, file and create the new project and empty. That's it. So internally it is set up all the project. Anybody has wanted to interested on to learn the npm and node.js, then you can go ahead, you can learn all those things stuff. Here I am focusing the only I am taking the output by using the TypeScript. It is just set up the project. Once it is successfully completed, okay, so here this is the solution. So here I have to create the one. Here I can able to have the TypeScript files and index in HTML files, all this stuff. So here I'm going to just add the one project. Let me add the one HTML page. Add. Okay, this is that. Once we are going to add, this is the HTML page. Okay. Why the HTML page? In the sense, why I am adding in the sense I wanted to see the output in the browser. Whatever I am writing the code in the TypeScript, I wanted to see in the browser. I don't want to see in any terminal window or this thing stuff by executing the compilers. All I don't want anything. Just I wanted to see what is the output, my output in the browser. Okay. So just I'm doing the index.html. I didn't do anything. Just I'm just normal HTML I have added. That's it. Okay. So here I'm going to add the my normal HTML page. Okay. And then in the body section I don't have anything, just I'm added. While I'm going to execute at this one, see I'm doing the next step is this is one command that is the that is control control plus profile. Otherwise you can give the directly by using the F5 and you can use the F5 also. This is control F5 is nothing but this is a debug mode. This is for just if you wanted to see the output without the debugging mode, you can use the control plus F5. Otherwise, you can use the F5. So I'm just doing the control F5. So when I'm going to control F5, see here I didn't set up any my browser. Just here, if you see the IIS Express here, by default it is taking the Chrome. If you wanted to execute it, if you wanted to execute the Edge or Firefox, you can go to that. Browse with, you can go to browse with. Here you can see that I'm having a Firefox on the Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer browsers also, but I want to execute in the Chrome. Okay, so I'm doing the control F5. Here I just I click the browse with right, so that's the thing. So here Microsoft Edge Explorer and the browser also Firefox also we have. So I can take it any, I can make it a setup anything. See here, this is the option based. I didn't write any code. I didn't have any tsconfig.json file and package.json file. See, if you see my Explorer here, my code is very clear. Okay, my code is very clear. See, if you see here, what is the thing, sir? My code just only index.html. I don't have anything, but still I didn't add the TS file, but I'm going to add that. So see here, and I'm going to control F5. Just I'm typing the control F. See here the port number, it is automatically taking from my this video, I mean this ID. This is automatically taken from this ID. If you see here, here is port. This internal it is taking here. Okay, but this is executed by the local host server. See here, if you move to F2 only, I don't have any console. Under the console, I don't have anything. So here my movie is will stop. So I'm adding the TypeScript file. This is our main aim of this video. TypeScript, if you find out here, TypeScript file is there. Okay, just add that. That's it. And give a file is TS file. So here the main.ts file. Here I'm adding the checking for console.log. Welcome TypeScript. Okay, I didn't add anything here. Just I'm adding a console.log. So I wanted to give this reference to index.html because of I'm opening the index.html in my browser. So when I'm going to open the browser, I need to see that console.log here. So in this I must give the reference of this main.ts file. So here the one point is here is browser can't execute the ts file directly. You need to compile that ts file into the js file. Okay, first of all, if you try to ts file can't be executed by the browser. Okay, so for that reason, see here there is a one magic is here. Just I'm going to drop and drop here. If you drag and drop to here, see what will happen. See, I directly drag and drop the ts file, but I'm getting the js file. How it's happening in the sense, by internally by default my id is compile the ts file and it is turning to that to the js file. That's it. It's simple. So once it is drag and drop to here, I'm saving here. Okay, this is a save icon of this file. This is a save of all the files, whatever the files. Again I'm coming to here. So welcome TypeScript is there. We can ignore these two lines. So here, see here, welcome to TypeScript. If you go to the source files to here, see here, that main.ts file, main.js file. But here, browser is executed based on the main.js file, not the main.ts file. If you wanted to cross check on that, see here, internal I'm going to make it as ts file. Okay, I didn't do anything, just I'm control S. I'm going to refresh. See here, main.ts file because of its main type is because of my browser can't execute the ts file, which is extended by ts TypeScript file. Browser won't be supported. You need to do that into the js file. Okay, that's it. So I executed that again. Let's come to the TypeScript. Okay, now we got it. So here, if you notice here in this video, is I'm adding any npm, is I'm adding any node.js. I didn't write any comments of the git, or I didn't add any comments of anything. I didn't do anything. Just I'm opening this project and Visual Studio 2017. I've created the new project and I have done the HTML and .ts file. That's it. I didn't do anything. I didn't set up any pose or anything. Just add the two files and executing. So this my file is going to be successfully executed. So this video is applicable for who don't want to learn the Node.js and NPM. Okay, you got it right. Thank you. I will come with the another points, which are the basic points of the TypeScript. I will upload that in the next video. If you want to wish that, you can subscribe and channel. Thank you.